Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. The week is almost done. Last night was a culinary expedition night and we were in Angola where I prepared, I want to get it right, muaba de galina, something like that. I can't guarantee it. The house smelled fantastic. Robin walked through the door, coming home from work, and she's like, "Oh, it is so, just and on and on and on." But when you eat the food, it didn't smell like the house or taste like, you know. I got the live audience this morning. It's good, don't get me wrong. But if I make it again, probably, I'm going to be looking at the herb and spice profile and kicking it up. It's good. Just it doesn't taste like it smells. So, yeah, served it over rice. It was a good meal. No complaint, no real complaints. Tonight is not an expedition night. Tonight is pork loin and sauerkraut. This is a English kitchen recipe from Marie. So I'm looking forward to this. I have a side picked out. I just don't have the ingredients here yet. I decided on the side sometime in the middle of the morning. Yeah, I've been up for a few hours. Okay, so let's get to it. Got some pork loin. This is about a pound, just Robin and I. So a pound will do us just fine. And this is a kind of a roast, or kind of maybe possibly a braise. So we got the pork loin, butter, garlic. It's garlic day. Sauerkraut. You got to have sauerkraut in a sauerkraut recipe. Brown sugar, caraway seeds, of course, kosher salt and black pepper. An apple. I can't remember which one this is, but this is supposed to be really good. Maybe somebody who can identify it can tell me what apple this is. Chicken stock and yellow onion. So that's it. Looks pretty simple. But Marie never, I shouldn't say never, normally does not disappoint with her recipes. So yeah. The recipes for this week are finally posted. It's kind of something new I'm doing, is getting the recipes for the week posted of the week. So if you want to get ahead of me, in the recipe game and try things out before I get to it, the recipes are there, up on the website. So on this Thursday, cold morning, warmish afternoon here in Sutter County, California, I put my request into Bob Harlan for the warmer mornings. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.